Hey guys, welcome back to another JavaScript programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the ternary operator in JavaScript. So you all know what an if statement is. It's pretty simple. Let's just create a number here and we can just do an if statement. Pretty simple. If the number is equal to 3, then let's just console.log the number is 3. Pretty simple. And it's pretty, like, everyone knows what an if statement is, right? I can run this code and it's going to give me number is 3. And we can actually shorten this if statement. We can put it on a single line if there's only a single line of code to run inside the if statement. This is nice, but what happens if we want to assign another variable based on if this number is 3? So let's say we had a message and we just set it to nothing for here, and we were to say if the number is 3, we want to set the message equal to the number is 3. Otherwise we want to set the message as the number isn't 3. So you can see here what we've had to do is create a variable message, not constant. Then we've had to create one path of the message for the message if the number is 3, and this is just the condition we're checking, and otherwise we have to create another path, the number isn't 3. And you can see altogether this took 3 lines, right? And this isn't too bad, but it can get a bit annoying if you have to do this multiple times, and just every time you want to create some sort of conditional variable assignment, you have to use 3 whole lines. What's a bit more annoying is that you have to use a variable rather than a constant, and even if this message is never going to change again, we have to use a variable because we can't really create the variable in here. If I did that, then I wouldn't be able to access message outside of that if statement. So we have to make sure we use a variable, and that's a bit annoying. So that's where the ternary operators come in. We can simply do this all in one line. We can do const message equals, and we put our condition in these brackets. So number equals to 3, that's our condition. If this is true, then it's going to assign, it's going to do this code, so execute this code, and otherwise it will execute this code. So in our case, we can assign message as the number is 3 if this is true, and if this isn't true, then we execute this code like so. You see how much more cleaner this is, and obviously we were able to use the const because we're assigning this all in one line and not worrying about the if statement scope or anything. Now let's check this out, and we do get the right answer. So that was just a short video on the ternary operator. It's just basically we use these brackets to signal the condition, use question mark, and then we do code here or assignment, like the assignment of a variable if this condition is true, and if the condition is false, then past the colons we do execute this code to assign to the variable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Oh, one more thing, I'm fairly certain you can also do something like this where you don't even have to assign to a variable. You can just write something like this and then execute this code if this is true and execute this code if it's false. And yeah, it's just all these one-liner tricks. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and that was how you use the ternary operator in JavaScript. See you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.